Welcome to our channel, Explorers of the Cosmos of Knowledge. Today, we embark on a thrilling expedition to the year 2025, a year poised on the precipice of groundbreaking scientific advancements. Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated before they take hold, where energy flows sustainably from the heart of atoms, and where our understanding of the universe deepens with each passing moment. These aren't mere fantasies, my friends, but very real possibilities that lie just beyond the horizon of now. Over the next few minutes, we'll be your guides, your cosmic navigators, as we unravel the mysteries and illuminate the awe-inspiring potential of 10 scientific breakthroughs set to redefine our world in 2025. Stay tuned to find out how these innovations will change our world. Our journey begins in the quantum realm, a world where physics bends and blurs. Here lies the quantum computer, harnessing superposition for unprecedented power. It performs calculations at unimaginable speeds, revolutionizing drug discovery and materials science. In 2025, we approach quantum supremacy, transforming our world profoundly. From the depths of the quantum realm, we ascend to the world of artificial intelligence, a realm where machines are beginning to mimic the cognitive abilities of their creators. Imagine a world where your home anticipates your needs, adjusting the temperature, lighting, and even the music to match your mood. Imagine a world where your car navigates through traffic seamlessly, allowing you to relax, work, or simply enjoy the ride. This is the promise of AI integration, a future where intelligent machines seamlessly blend into the fabric of our daily lives. In 2025, we'll witness this integration accelerate, driven by advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. By embracing AI as a collaborative partner, we can unlock new levels of productivity, innovation, and societal progress. AI will be an integral part of our lives, shaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In 2025, renewable energy technologies will surge, harnessing the sun, wind, and earth to fuel our civilization. Imagine vast solar farms and towering wind turbines generating clean electricity. Advances in materials science and energy storage are paving the way for a renewable future. By embracing renewable energy, we can mitigate climate change and create a sustainable future. Our expedition now takes us deep into the microscopic world of our own biology, to the very essence of what makes us human, our DNA. Imagine a world where we can rewrite this code to correct genetic defects, enhance traits, and eradicate diseases. This is the potential of CRISPR-Cas9, the molecular scissors. It allows scientists to target and replace faulty genes. Imagine curing genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis. The gene editing revolution is upon us. We must use this tool responsibly and ethically. From the inner workings of our cells, we now turn our gaze skyward, to the vast cosmic ocean that surrounds our pale blue dot. The year 2025 promises to be a landmark year for space exploration. Imagine the first human footsteps on Mars, a testament to our indomitable spirit. NASA's Artemis program will establish a sustainable presence on the moon, paving the way for future human missions to Mars. Private companies will push the boundaries of space travel, making it more accessible and affordable. 2025 will be a year of cosmic firsts, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. A year reaffirming our commitment to space exploration for the future of humanity. From the vast expanse of space, we now journey inward once again, this time to the realm of the infinitesimally small, the nano-world. Here, at the scale of atoms and molecules, lies a revolution in healthcare, driven by tiny machines with the potential to diagnose, treat, and even prevent diseases with unprecedented precision. Imagine a world where microscopic robots, thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair, course through your bloodstream, seeking out and destroying cancer cells with surgical precision. In 2025, we'll witness significant advancements in the development and application of nanomaterials, nanodevices, and nanotherapeutics. We'll see the emergence of targeted drug delivery systems using nanoparticles to transport medications directly to disease cells, minimizing damage to healthy tissues. We'll witness the development of nanosensors capable of detecting cancer cells, pathogens, and other disease markers with unmatched sensitivity. The future of healthcare lies in the nano world, where tiny machines hold the potential to revolutionize medicine and enhance human health in ways we can only begin to imagine. From the minuscule world of nanotechnology, we turn our attention to a source of energy so powerful, so potentially transformative, it has captivated the imaginations of scientists and dreamers for decades: fusion energy. Imagine a future where our energy woes are a distant memory, where we power our civilization with the same process that fuels the stars: nuclear fusion. In 2025, we'll witness significant progress towards achieving this elusive goal, driven by advancements in plasma physics, superconducting magnets, and experimental fusion reactors. Projects like ITER, the world's largest fusion experiment, are paving the way for a future where fusion power becomes a reality. The year 2025 may not mark the year fusion power lights up our homes, but it will be a year of milestones, a year where we take significant strides towards unlocking this ultimate source of clean, sustainable energy. The pursuit of fusion energy is a testament to the boundless ingenuity of the human spirit, our unwavering belief that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a wild ride, because in 2025, the roads will be alive with the hum of electric motors and the silent calculations of artificial intelligence. The era of self-driving cars is upon us, and it promises to revolutionize transportation as we know it. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a distant memory, where accidents are rare occurrences, and where the daily commute transforms into an opportunity to relax, work, or simply enjoy the scenery. In 2025, we'll witness the widespread adoption of self-driving cars, with major automakers rolling out their latest autonomous models and ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft expanding their fleets of driverless vehicles. They have the potential to transform entire industries, from logistics and delivery services to public transportation and urban planning. Imagine trucks traversing highways without the need for drivers, delivering goods more efficiently and reducing transportation costs. The autonomous revolution is here, and it's set to reshape our cities, our economy, and our very relationship with transportation. As we navigate the technological marvels of 2025, we cannot ignore the looming shadow of climate change, a challenge that threatens the very future of our planet. In 2025, we'll witness a surge in the development and deployment of technologies aimed at mitigating the effects of climate change, from carbon capture and storage to geoengineering and climate-smart agriculture. Imagine vast forests of artificial trees, silently absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and converting it into harmless byproducts. Imagine machines sucking carbon dioxide directly from industrial smokestacks, preventing it from ever reaching the atmosphere. In 2025, we'll see increased investment in renewable energy sources, sustainable transportation, and climate-resilient infrastructure. The fight against climate change is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires a global effort. In 2025, we'll see renewed commitment, collaboration, and innovation as we work together to protect our planet for future generations. Our final stop on this journey through the scientific breakthroughs of 2025 takes us to the intersection of biology and technology, a realm where the lines between the natural and the engineered continue to blur. Imagine a world where crops are engineered to thrive in harsh environments, resistant to pests and diseases, producing higher yields with fewer resources. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, optimizing treatments and minimizing side effects. In 2025, we'll witness significant advancements in synthetic biology, gene editing, and bioinformatics, fueling a new wave of innovation in agriculture, medicine, and materials science. We'll see the continued rise of lab-grown meat, offering a more sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional animal agriculture. We'll witness the development of bio-based plastics and other materials, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing our environmental footprint. The bio-revolution is upon us, offering a glimpse into a future where biology and technology work hand in hand to create a healthier, more sustainable, and more equitable world for all. As we conclude our journey through the scientific breakthroughs of 2025, one thing is abundantly clear: the future is brimming with possibilities. From the quantum realm to the vast expanse of space, from the microscopic world of nanotechnology To the transformative power of biotechnology, we stand on the cusp of a new era of scientific discovery and technological innovation. The breakthroughs we've explored today are not mere pipe dreams, but tangible possibilities within our grasp. They represent the culmination of decades of research, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content.